Here's a way that you can boil your water by using your hand. If you greatly reduce the pressure exerted on the water, then you can make it so that it boils at the temperature of your hand.
There it goes. Boiling water in my hand. So right now there was enough heat in the water already that it could boil with its current temperature. But as it continues to boil, it's going to drop in temperature.
This is known as a ribbon eel, and all ribbon eels start off as males that are black with yellow dorsal fins. As they mature, the male eel turns mostly bright blue with yellow accents around the mouth and on the dorsal fin. After the male body reaches a certain length, it begins to turn yellow and start developing female organs until it's able to lay eggs. Here's what it looks like when a Komodo dragon sneezes.
Wow, take a photo. Oh, you make. Oh, cool. Bless you. Bless you. Run, dog.
Farmers in Acacias, Colombia use this pulley to cross a large gorge in order to reach the city.